Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. It's Eva here and today I present you my first Valentine set for this year that I created, and all you need is some gel polishes. Here I'm going to combine this soft rose gel polish with a bit of glitter gel polish, and it is like a jelly glitter polish, and you would need some gel paint and a dotting tool, but you do not even need a dotting tool. As I always say, you could use a toothpick, okay? So I'm coming in with the soft rose gel polish and I'm creating my base, and I'm doing exactly the same thing on all of the three nails. And I love how Neo Nail just levels. I'm not even trying to apply a very even layer, but it is so self-leveling. It's very cool. I pop each nail into my lamp for 60 seconds. And once this first layer is on, I come in with this glitter jelly polish. And this is exactly the look I was hoping for. As the jelly is quite transparent, it goes super nice with the soft pink polish below. And I love this golden pink lilac color shift. And after, I'm just applying some top coat on all of the three nails to have an even surface where I can paint on. This is where we are. And now I'm getting my white gel paint ready. I'm coming in with this detailer brush, picking up the gel paint, and as this detailer brush is so fine, it is very easy to draw a nice thin line with it. Yeah, and this is what I'm doing. I'm just coming in with the brush. I'm picking up a bit more of the gel paint and I'm just applying random lines in the tip area. It doesn't have to be even or balanced. It is more like creating little strings where then my Valentine's hearts will be hanging from. So just get in there, guys, and have fun. There we go. I pop that into my lamp for 60 seconds. I apply more strings on all the other nails in the tip area. Cure that for 60 seconds. And after that, I'm going in with my dotting tool. But guys, as I told you, if you do not have a dotting tool, do not worry. Just get a toothpick from your kitchen or the supermarket, and I'm going to show you the hearts are easily drawn. So all my strings are cured and drawn on, and here I'm coming in with my dotting tool, and on each string I'm applying 3 dots in a triangle, and then in the middle I'm already loosely connecting those 3 dots, as you can see here. And I'm also adding some random dots on the strings here and there. So here you can see me loosely connecting the 3 dots, and that already makes the little hearts on a string emerge. And it might be enough already. However, I'm coming in with my detailer brush and I'm painting out the hearts a bit more clear. And this fine detailer brush also allows me to have a fine pointy end of the heart. And here my first Valentine's heart nail is done. I cure that in my lamp for 60 seconds and then I repeat the same steps on the other 2 nails. But of course, they all look a little bit different and still they are the same, and I think as a Valentine's set that's super pretty. Here I was not happy with the big heart on top, so in the end I cleaned that away and started from the beginning, but I did not record that. But here you can see, I corrected the heart a bit and it is already the finished look. What do you think, guys? Is it easy enough for you? I think it's super pretty and very easy to replicate, so try it out. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.